In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Apple Pay on your iPhone. So to set up Apple Pay on our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is to go to the settings application. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, and you want to click on that. From here, if you've already got cards added to your Apple Pay already, they'll show up as a list here at the top. However, if you don't have any cards already, you want to click on Add Card, and then you want to select what type of cards you want to add. In this case, it's going to be debit or credit card. From here, you want to click on Continue, and then here it's going to prompt you to scan your card so it can automatically read the information. However, if you don't want to do that, you can click Enter Card Details manually, and then you just want to follow the step-by-step process to manually enter your card to Apple Pay. Once you've done this, I recommend you enable the double-click side button so you can access Apple Pay a lot easier by using the power button on your iPhone. I also recommend scrolling down slightly and clicking on Express Travel Card, and then clicking the card you want to automatically select when opening Apple Pay, as this will make things a lot quicker as well. Once you've done this, you can exit out of the settings application, and then if you want to pay using Apple Pay, you want to double tap the power button on the side of your iPhone, and this will bring up the wallet menu. From here, you want to select the card you want to use to pay, and then you want to hold your iPhone next to the card reader, and after a few seconds the Apple Pay transaction will successfully go through. However, what if you want to pay with Apple Pay on a website? Well, you want to go to your web browser and you want to go to a website that supports Apple Pay. Once you're at checkout, you want to click on the Apple Pay option, and from here you're going to get the Apple Pay dialog box where you want to make sure your information is correct. Once it is correct, you want to double click and confirm the transaction using the power button on the side, and then the Apple Pay transaction will successfully go through. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below.